A child support services representative will try to work out an agreement with both parties prior to your scheduled court time. However, if we can't reach an agreement on all issues, then yes, you will have to go to court and a commissioner will make the final decision. Going to court and appearing before a commissioner can be intimidating for most people, especially if you're here for the first time.
I think it's a scary experience for the people that come to the courthouse. It's their lives, it's their children. We're dealing with two very emotional issues, their family and child support.
What the judge is going to do in the courtroom is listen to the facts as it pertains to the issues and then make orders. The judge may ask you questions and you're permitted to answer. And you also get an opportunity to address the court if you would like. The court may stop you if you start talking about issues that are not before the court, but the court encourages that if there's anyone that wishes to say something in the courtroom, as long as it's appropriate, that they do so.
There's a family court which deals mostly with visitation and custody issues. They also deal with divorces, dissolution, stuff like that. The courts where we are located, where we work, are strictly for child support and child support enforcement. So basically it's the money part of everything else. If there's questions regarding visitation or custody of children, those are handled by family court.
To make sure that anything that you want considered the day of the hearing, you need to file it with the court and you need to serve a copy on the other party and our office so that everybody has a chance to review the documents as well as respond if necessary.
You cannot walk into the courtroom at the last minute and expect the court to admit into evidence a document that the other party is seeing that day for the first time.
Everything has to be written down. People have to provide evidence, written evidence, and provide it to the court before the hearing. Filed with the court, served on each party, and a copy given to us, so everyone knows what's going on when they show up to court. The court will sometimes request a continuance because not enough information is in its own file, or the parties haven't provided enough information for that day in order to make a more final decision. An attorney for the Department of Child Support Services doesn't represent either party. We represent the Department of Child Support Services in the County of San Diego.
It's my job to give the court any pertinent information on a case, as well as if I think there's a relevant case law or statute that would help the court in making a determination.
What we try to do is make an order that is correct, and we understand that these orders are made on behalf of the child first and foremost.